7 fards before starting of Salah. Ahkam of Salah. Number 1. To clean the body. Number 2. To clean the clothes. Number 3. Covering the body, fixed part of body. Number 4. To clean the prayer place. Number 5. Facing towards the Kaaba. Number 6. Proper time of prayer. Number 7. Making intention niyah. 6 fard inside the Salah. Arkan of Salah. Number 1. To start prayer saying Allahu Akbar, Takbiri Tahrima. Number 2. Standing in the Salah, Qiyam. Number 3. Recitation Qiraat from the Holy Quran. Number 4. Performing Ruku, bowing down. Number 5. Performing Shijda, prostration and prayer. Number 6. Last sitting in the prayer, Qaida Akhira. Exiting from the prayer, saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Note: if someone misses one of the 13 fards mentioned above, then they must pray again.